Hi guys, welcome to Jazz Journey. My name is Jasmine. For those of you that haven't seen my videos, my name is Jasmine. Welcome to my channel, and I'm glad to actually be back. I was on vacation and there's so much going on, and I'm so glad that I'm going to be able to share all that information for the January box. I already have three full variation for the base box, and I already have one full variation for the premium box. Because I was away, I got my premium box a few days ago, and I did get an email saying that it was going to be delayed, so it was really delayed. So I'm going to show you real quick what I got in the premium box for the month of December, but I'm going to show you exactly the variations for the base and the premium box. And also there's a choice date already, so mark your calendars. I'm going to give you that information for both boxes. We already have that information. I really don't want you guys to miss out on selecting those items, and even when that time comes, I'm going to do a video to let you know the choice date and the choice items. We don't know what the choice items is yet, but at least we know the date. So let's just get started with all the information that I want to share with you. But before we get started, if you are new and you're excited and you want to join Boxycharm and you want to sign up, there's 2 free items that they're giving away. So you can use my referral link, which is going to be provided in the description box. And they're giving away this palette. This palette we got I think last year. This is from Pretty Vulgar, and I think this is a perfect palette to start off, or if you just like neutral colors. I was interested because they have some nice gray tones in there, and usually you don't get that many gray tones in most palettes. And it does come with a nice mirror. I really like this brand, and as you know, this is the brand that we should be getting concealer for. Some of us might get that concealer from this brand, but they're also giving away these brushes from Luxie, and it's actually 3 of them. One of them says for foundation, precision crease, and large eye blending. So these are the brushes that they're giving away, as well as this palette. So I'm going to give you the code if you're interested, so you don't miss out on that free gift if you do join today or this month. So what is the first thing I'm going to share with you guys is the premium box. I feel like I was very impressed with the premium box for the month of December, for the month actually November, but for the month of December I'm like I'm kind of mixed, because I got this highlighter from my Boxy Luxe, so then I got it again for my premium box, so I'm not happy about that. I also got the Cake Pencil eyeliner from Kat Von D. I did selected this product, which is the Bite Beauty. This is the Agave Lip Therapy, so I'm excited for that. I feel like I do need a lip therapy. I have 2 that I use, but I don't know, it's kind of messy, so I hope this one is really nice and smooth to apply. And I love that it comes with the applicator. I love when it comes with the applicator. So I'm excited for this because it's the one that I selected. This one, I'm not sure what to take. This is the from Avant Skincare Hyaluronic Vitamin C. So this is another moisturizer, but I got another moisturizer on my box. So I'm very careful with my skincare. I have been using one moisturizer. Once I finish, I'm excited to try this one because it's one that I've been eyeing my eye out for. Flow Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice moisturizer, which I'm excited to get. So I'm happy I did get this in this box, the premium box. And also I am glad that I did get the palette from Natasha Denona. Of course, I already have the other palette that we're giving away, which is from Storybook Cosmetics, the Fairy Tales Little Briar Rose. This one I took on my trip. I really like that it has a mirror. It was easy to do. I was very impressed with the shadows, how very well pigmented was the shimmers. OMG, and look at this palette. This is Natasha Denona, and it is so pretty. So with this box, I am a little mixed because some products I don't know, you know, I feel like a duplicate, or 2 moisturizers in a box. I don't think that should have been included there, but I just wanted to share with you guys real quick what I got for my premium box. So now let's go into everything for the month of January, and I'm going to show you 3 different full box variation for the base box. This is how I've been doing my videos, and I've been seeing your comments that you really like how I do it more in order, so I'm going to continue doing that, and thank you guys for your comments. So I'm going to talk only about the base box right now. The base box is the one that's $25, which is the regular box. So I'm going to give you the base box variation. There's 3 of them, so let's just start with one of those. One of the variation includes the Too Faced highlighter. And remember, we're going to be getting 2 different colors. It might be the canary yellow, kind of like a yellow color. And I don't know what's the other name. So I'm just going to put it on this section here so that way you have an idea which one might come. But in this one, it was showing like the soft pink tone. So I saw this in an ad, and that's why I got this variation. And this one is from the same brand, but this one is a sleeping mask, the one I saw in the video, and it starts with shea butter, rice bran, and it's an 8-hour radiance renewal sleeping mask. And I'm going to put the picture here. I was able to zoom in and see the ingredients. So that one, it's a sleeping mask. That variation, Grande Mascara, Grande Drama Mascara, and it has castor oil, which you know castor oil, it's an oil that does help. You could apply it on your hair, and it's going to help your hair grow a lot quicker. And the same thing with, it's a DIY that people use that oil to make their lashes grow. So it's good that that mascara has a nice oil there. I know we got that brand before, I think a year ago or maybe a little longer. And this one was Grande Lips, and this one is Hydra Plump Liquid Lipstick. So the packaging is very rich, it's very nice. So let's see if we all get that mascara, but I don't think we're all gonna be getting it based on some of the variation I have seen. This one is a duo. This one has a bronzer and a blush in there. And then the Ace Beauty palette, and this one is the one that has those cool tones with the warm tones in there. So that's one box variation that we have so far for the base box. That was variation number 1. I did posted that on my, I have a social media, I have an Instagram just dedicated for Boxycharm, and it's called Boxy Bucks Sneak, and not that many people were happy with this variation. So let me show you the second variation, so hopefully you're more happy about it. This one, the highlighter again, but in this one the highlighter wasn't the pink tone, it was the yellow tone, the canary one. But this one has the sleeping mask from Glow Recipe in this variation, the Ace Beauty palette, but this one is all warm tones only, which it has the orange and the pink tones. Again, it has the Grande Drama or Grand Drama mascara, and again the Wonder Beauty duo, which is a blush and a bronzer. I have the third full box reveal. This one, and they say that the January box for the base box is worth $250. So the third variation is again the Ace Beauty palette, the one that has the warm tones with the cool tones. It has more like the orangey and the burgundy with some green and blues. This one has the concealer. This is the first variation that I see that has the concealer, and it also has the eye retinol from Dr. Brandt. It has the pink highlighter and the sleeping mask. So there is a big so far variations going on. Sometimes you see the sleeping mask, sometimes I see the highlighter. On this one, I was the first one that I was able to see the Pretty Vulgar concealer, and also the Dr. Brandt with the palette was shown in that one. So that's very interesting because that was a choice item, but on this variation you get to see both products. So those are the 3 full box reveal for the base box. Now for the base box, there is another item that was shown in one of the videos from the CEO from Boxycharm that is not shown on this 3 variation, but I'm just gonna let you know that is from Skin & Company. We have received this brand before from Boxycharm, so this is not a new brand to Boxycharm that you put to refresh your skin or to just put it after your makeup. This one is the one that I really like. I love how it smells and it feels so refreshing. So, and it does seem that it's a variation. And it's a Skin & Company Truffle Therapy Face, and you will see it's called Gommage. And I'm gonna share a little bit more about that. It does seem very interesting. It does have so many great ingredients. Exfoliating truffle face gommage, and people do claim that even though it's an exfoliating, it is very, very gentle on their skin. One of the products they have or ingredients, it says is gently buff away dry, dull, and flaky skin. That is the job of an exfoliant when you are using your skin with finely milled apricot seed powder. Just letting you know that so far we have all of those products. There is variation. So this is everything for the base box. Now to the choice date. I'm only going to talk about the choice date for the base box before I move on to the premium box. Monday, January 13th. For the base box, there's going to be early access. This is new. So just be on the lookout. If you are subscribed to Boxycharm and you have subscription to the premium and you're also a waitlister, meaning you're in the wait list, that means you have early access to select your item on January 13th, which is a Monday. You're going to be able to select your item for the base box. So remember, if you are subscribed to Premium and Boxycharm, you're going to be able to have early access to make your choice for the base box on January 13th. So mark that on your calendars, but don't worry, I'm going to be doing a video to remind you guys and also provide what the items are. Hopefully we get them early on. And then on Tuesday, everybody that is not subscribed to Boxycharm or Premium Box, you will have all access. It's going to be open for the February base box on January 14 on Tuesday. So if you have other subscriptions besides the base box, you're going to have early access on Monday, January 13. But if you just have the base box, then everybody's going to have full access or all access for the February box to make your selection on Tuesday, January 14. So now let's move on to the premium box. Premium box, I already have also a full box review. That way you have an idea what's coming in the box. So I only have one, but at least we have an idea. Usually when we have a full box review, I think we all get those items. They just might be one or two items that may be a little off. At least the first box we all got the same thing, but the second box there was different variations. So now let's see if this month we all going to be getting the same thing or if there's going to be a variation as well. So for the premium box, we all know that we made a selection between the Too Faced, the eyeshadow palette, which is Palm Spring, or the Sugar Peach, I believe it was. Sugar Peach Wet and Dry palette. So you already know what's coming on your box based on the choice that you made. So that's going to be the first item. The second item that was a sneak peek and that everybody's going to be getting is the Farsali Glass Serum, the liquid glass serum, and I'm excited for that. And I think that one retails for $55. So at least we know that everybody that is subscribed and is getting the box for January for the premium box is going to be getting that item. The third item is from Kat Von D. This is the Lolita eyeshadow. It's a single eyeshadow, and when I checked the Sephora website, there's only one shade. So I believe everybody might be getting the eyeshadow, single eyeshadow from Kat Von D. So the next product that is on the box is from Saint Luxe. It's an eyeliner trio. There's different shades. The shades there is like they're like pencils. They have like a gold, a soft beige color, and I believe the other one is black. So you're gonna be getting the trio. Also they have the $1 billion brows. This is a kit. This is a seller kit. It has 4 products in there in this kit, and it does look like very exciting. We have received the $1 billion brows before that I'm excited about. Kind of excited because we just got a moisturizer on the December box. But in case you didn't get the moisturizer in December, this is another opportunity to get from Laneige. A Fresh Calming Mousse Moisturizer. Is a moisturizer in the form of a mousse. So this moisturizer retails for $29, and it does have some great reviews. This is interesting that this is including another product from Laneige. I wish I got the Laneige product that they were giving out on December, but they're including from that brand once again on the January box. But like I said, this is a full box variation. It is a variation. We might get different items in our box. And those are the items so far. We have 6 in total in that variation. At least we have an idea. So guys, let me know what you guys think on these products for the premium box. Now for the choice for the premium box, this will open for active premium subscribers only. That means that if you're on the wait list, you will not have the opportunity to make a choice. And this will open on Thursday, January 16, and this is only for the choice item for the premium box. So that means that if you did not get off the wait list for this month, January, you won't be able to make a choice. so that makes it really hard, and it's sad at the same time, because I remember for Boxyluxe it was hard just for 1 month, and then after that month everybody was able to get it. Now I notice for premium it's taking a lot longer for people to get off the wait list. So but if you are a premium active subscriber, then you will be able to select your choice item on Thursday, January 16th. There is one more spoiler that I want to share with you guys. This spoiler is confirmed. It wasn't meant to be shared. He did say, the CEO said that he didn't mean to include that, but he did mention that it was going to be coming on in the following month, and that is from a high-end type of blush. A lot of people love this blush, but this is an Hourglass Luxury Performance Makeup, and this one is the ambient blush. It is not confirmed which box is going to be in, but I'm excited that at least we have a confirmed spoiler. He did say that's going to be for the upcoming month. So these are all of the boxes that I want to share with you, from base to premium, the variations, a full box reveal actually, and you guys are able to see it and just be ready to see what's coming on your boxes, and at least a confirmed sneak peek. Hopefully in March we do get that perfume, which I will be excited about, but I'm a little sad because I thought we are going to be getting a complexion item, at least a foundation in January. People are going to be getting a concealer, not everybody, and nothing mentioned for a foundation. So I don't know, I just felt like it was going to be a big thing starting January, but at least we know that January is starting, I think, in a good note, depending on what we get in our boxes. Hopefully there's not that many variations, and hopefully we're all happy with what we get in our boxes, and hopefully again in February we do get the concealer or the foundation. So thank you guys for your support, for watching this video. If you really liked it, just give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, I invite you to subscribe to Jazz Journey. So thank you guys, and until the next video, bye.